Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the difference between the local and the global in Xpresso. We do have these really cool colored cubes within our viewport. The pink cube is existing in the world center, and this blue cube is moved along the x-axis 300. And now let's just select these two and drag them into Xpresso. Let's extract their vector position. And now let me just extract some result nodes. Let's extract one. Let's change its data type to vector, and let's connect that to the blue cube. Let's make more space. All right, and then let's control drag this result to make another copy. Connect that pink position of that cube to that result. Now, if we just move this cube along the x-axis, we're gonna have a different value. Now, if we just make this blue cube a child of the pink cube, and now if we just extract the global position of that cube and connect that to a new result, we're gonna have the same value. But now if we just move the parent, which is the pink cube, over in the x-axis 200 unit, we're gonna have the result of the position still 300, but in the global position it's 500. So the position is considering the local position because this cube has been parenting to the pink cube, so it's calculating the position in relation of this object. But in the global position, it's considering the position of this cube in relation to the world center. So this is the difference between the global and the local coordinate of any object. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.